Welcome to Bader International's Classic Online Motorcycle Sales. This gorgeous bike is a 1956 Ceccato Lusso. This has the 125cc 4-stroke engine, and it has been beautifully restored. Odometer shows 2 miles on the clock. And obviously that is looks like a new speedometer. And the attention to detail on this bike, along with the work that Ceccato did on these bikes, is just turned out a beautiful bike. I guess in the early 50s, Ceccato got with Fabio Taglioni. They started producing some of his race engines, and apparently a lot of them held world records back in the day. These Ceccatos are very rare, not a lot of them around, and this one has been perfectly restored. All the bright work, everything has been redone, has the proper carburetor, has proper everything on the bike. I'm really impressed with the casting work that Ceccato did, especially on these rear brakes. Got all the cool finning on the drums, on the backing plate. And this bike is also, would make a terrific centerpiece for any Italian bike collection. Beautiful chrome work, all the proper finishes throughout. And again, a very rare Italian motorcycle. Make a perfect piece for any collection. Well, this motorcycle, along with many others, can be viewed on our website at baderinternational.com, or you can call me direct at 805-798-1802, and I'll be happy to speak to you about it.